be great, baby. You're trying to be great.
6 foot ball, number 1, Javonte Smart. Sophomore, 6 foot ball, number 2, Big Man.
Here and tip-off is going to go to Cameron Owenby, and he gets to go up against, again, the best player in 17. This is handed Smart. Back to beat the Utah Smart. The short layup is in. It's
teams might start a little bit slow. Oh!
Andrew puts it up. It's missed. And here comes the other way very quickly, wide open on the layup.
Uh-oh.
Right to Javonte Smart. Lay it up.
You get it easy. Parker Elvis, they always have somebody that's just completely face guarding them, not even looking at the rest of the team.
Over the backside because they get it back to Allen and he throws it away.
He's about to shoot it.
Smart goes right around that side. This is the back outside.
Oh boy.
He dribbles around the hand there.
And again, they're trapping Javonte in their half court. He goes right around him, then splits another guy.
Woo. Oh, and he tackles him, and Javonte Smart's head hits the court. That was long today. First one was in 30 games a couple of years ago.
Once again, they're trapping Javonte.
Leahy tightly guarded. And also Biden Schwartz. He's a crucial ball provider beyond his facility. Biden. Javonte Smart going through 3 wolves and around Devontae Allen. And nearly lays it in, and he's going to go to the line. Scotlandville is yet to commit a foul in the second half.
And that was after 9 in the first quarter, so.
Thomas to the left wing there. Javonte gets it inside, and a nice pass and a block from behind him. He might be a 50. Every Walker and Walker here from Bolton Coliseum. Javonte Smart, triple team, puts it up to the right.
Trapping Javonte, he gives it up. Oh!
Great pass inside. Down to Horton. 51 to 28. And St. Paul puts on the press. And so we're not going quietly, Josh Preston.
Javonte's got space, though.
Javonte just runs right over Parker Edwards, and I'm not sure how that's not a dude. The hop, skip, and the jump bothers me.
Oh, come on, Jim. You gotta. Is just different.
Hop, hop, skip, skip. It's not Easter yet.
No.
Thomas when he moves the basketball anyway. He's Speakman's got it. Get it over to Javonte. Plays it over the right hand. It's in.
You want to rob us of so many great plays.
Javonte Smart.
Ooh.
Basketball pass into a wide open David Thomas. Way goes straight to the basket. And almost slams it home. Josh has talked about it. Doesn't dump it very much. Straight to the rack. Lays it up. No good. And back out to Javonte Smart with 10 seconds to go. And Coach Tony said he's going to take timeout. Would be willing to bet he's going to take Javonte out and get him to the floor.
Division I state championship trophy, Scotlandville. One more time on the Hornets, your state champions. Attention all, and the Walker Wildcat. You're watching March Madness 2000.
That just kind of attack, I guess, when some of the shots weren't falling at first.
It's called confidence. When I got confidence, I just keep shooting. Coach never tell me stop shooting, so I just keep shooting. But today wasn't my game. Today was Reese Beekman's game. He played a big part in this whole thing, the whole season. You know, he got MVP. I'm so happy for him. And you know, the game plan was keep Parker from scoring the ball. We just can't let him shoot the three. He's a very great player. He's a very great player. And Reese picked him up, and the outcome was a dub.
Talk about that, though. I mean, I know this is really what you wanted to go out with another title. Talk about what that means.
This is my third state championship. I thank God, and I just want to give it to my father because he can make it, and I know he down looking at me. I mean, he up there looking at me, and I'm just happy to be a champion again for the third time.
Levi, Kelvin out there in the hallway. You guys are all close. Talk a little bit about what it means just to bring it, to your community and some of these former players and stuff around.
Before the game, everybody from the community and all the other players told me just go out with a bang. This is my last game. This is my last year, and just go out with, just get the ring. And I just want to get it for the community and the players, and for my coaches, the whole school. That's all I want to do it for other people, and I also want to do it for myself. And I just want to thank God for putting me in a position to be blessed.